In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a perspective text effect in Canva. This technique is perfect for adding depth and interest to your graphics and can be completed in just a few minutes. Let's dive right in. First things first, to begin this process, you need to open Canva. If you don't yet have a Canva account, it's free to sign up. Once you're logged in, you'll see the homepage with different templates and design options. For today's tutorial, we're going to focus on creating a perspective text effect. So let's get started by creating a new design. You can do this by either selecting a template that fits your needs or by hitting the Create a Design button on the upper right corner. This will give you several options for dimensions, and you'll want to choose one based on what you're designing, perhaps a social media post or a banner. Once your blank canvas is ready, look to the left-hand toolbar. This is where Canva stores many of its tools and features. Click on the option labeled Apps. Apps in Canva are additional features or integrations you can use to enhance your design significantly. Now, in the search bar of the Apps section, type in Typecraft. Typecraft is a creative app within Canva that allows you to generate text effects with different styles, giving your text a unique look. Click on the Typecraft option in your search results to open it. When you open Typecraft, it will prompt you to type in your text. This is where you input whatever text you want to apply the perspective effect to. Whether it's a quote, a headline, or just a fun phrase, type it out here. After entering your text, the next step is to choose your font. When selecting a font, consider the tone and style of your design. Canva offers a wide range of fonts, from playful and casual to more formal and corporate. Browse through the options available in Typecraft to find the one that best suits your needs. Once you have selected your font, it's time to select an effect and modify it to your liking. Typecraft provides several perspective options that can easily be applied. You might need to tweak the angle or depth to get just the right look. Play around with these options to achieve the perfect perspective effect that aligns with your design vision. Finally, when you're satisfied with how your perspective text looks, click Add to Design. This will place your newly styled text onto your canvas, and you are now free to move, resize, or make any additional adjustments as necessary. And just like that, you have created a perspective text effect in Canva. With these skills, you can make your projects stand out with visually appealing text effects. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.